everybody, my name is Jonathan Steadman and I'm an open source software developer as well as a website developer. So I basically make softwares for Linux and for FreeBSD, and yeah, these two are the only platforms I make softwares on. So what now I'm currently making is a painting software, and that software will only be available on Linux right now because I'm still developing it, and then once I have finished entirely with the software, then it will also be released on FreeBSD. So yeah, if you guys want to try out this beta version of it, then you guys can. It'll be on GitHub, and it's going to be completely open source. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I have done so far in this project I have done. This is basic paint software 1.0. This is the entire source code, so you guys can view it if you wanted to. Now you guys may ask, what is basic paint software 1.0? Well, this software was made to be a lightweight software to allow you to do basic drawings, so it can run on all the hardware, so it needs digital criteria, which may take up a lot of resources, but this software basically uses up less resources, and it's going to be very basic and easy to use, and it's not going to have as much features, but this is what makes it more lightweight, so it will be able to run better on all the hardware. Okay, I'm now going to show you guys more about the software. So this is basically how it looks. I'm going to change this soon by giving it a better interface. But yeah, if you want to start drawing, then you guys can. So you can just do some of that if you wanted to. I'm not really an artist myself. I'm doing this more of an experimental use. But you guys will be able to do this if you wanted to. So it's default by the pen being purple. So it's purple by default. If you want to change the size of it, then you can. Just use this tool right over here, the scroll bar, and just drag it across like this, and then we can make it even bigger, as you guys can see. This is how to make it bigger. So you guys may not like purple, and you guys may want something like pink. So to change it, just go to change the color, and then we can change it to something different, such as if we wanted to, then we can always change it to a pinky color like this, and this gives it more of a pinkish color. So basically this is how our eyes will be able to change the font if we want to do that. So by just doing something like that. Now we can always downsize it by just dragging it across, and we guys can downsize it. And now if we just want to draw something, then just draw it with the mouse, and we have to press into the right key of the mouse, and you guys be able to draw whatever you want to draw. We can in fact draw a smiley face. It's gonna be a very bad smiley face, but this is my smiley face. So yeah, this is gonna be a very basic software. What I'm currently trying to do is change interface a bit. Maybe update this button right over here, but I kind of like the interface. It looks very basic and it's quite easy to use. But what I will also add is a save button. So soon there'll be a save button, so once you click onto a save button, then you guys will be able to save it, and then it'll be saved to your PC. And what I also need to work on is the icon. As you guys can see, there's no icon just yet, but I normally do that last because it is important, because people just care about the actual software, they don't really care much about the icon. So I'm just currently working on the software itself, and then once I finish with the software, I will be adding in an icon. So yeah, basically what I'm working on right now is trying to add in a save button. So yeah guys, this is going to be completely free and open source. It's going to be on Linux and FreeBSD. If you guys want to give me some feedback on the software, then this will be much liked for me, in my honest opinion. You guys give me as much feedback as you truly want, so that way I can improve on this software. Anyway guys, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. If you guys want, you can subscribe, you can also put a like, and yeah guys, I will see you next time. Bye bye.